Hey, how's it going? This is Rick. I just wanted to show you quickly how to sample the chatbot using agentic stack.js. So you can see here, select the model from local files. You click on the configuration form and then choose your file. I already previously downloaded the file from Hugging Face. So if you see here, it's a Gemma 4 E2B. Click on the update and then go ahead and submit that. The model is now ready, so I can go ahead and prompt it, hello Gemma 3. This is just a trick to see what it says, and it recognizes that it's Gemma 4. And so now I can just kind of prompt it with just like, what can you do? And it comes back with some answers, Q&A, and you can see that it is multi-threading, so I'm able to close it, reopen it, and it's still running. So if we look at just some other things that we can do here, just like, hey, write a short story about a robot who discovers music. So anyway, just a simple chatbot using agentic stack.js, the open source project that I'm currently working on. So lots more to come. Looking to build an agent, like a harness that is solely just web standards. So yeah, I'll keep posted.